What is up? We are back at the creek. This is a new spot for me. Wanted to come try this out. I've already been here, but I went downstream. Today I'm going upstream and we're gonna look for some good fishing holes. Gear today, my bread and butter right here. I've got a exposed hook, Ned rig, Hellgrammite, green pumpkin, rod and reel, Lew's TP2, 7-foot power, medium, heavy action, 7-foot, medium heavy, fast action, spinning reel, and we're gonna go look for some smallmouth. It's currently 10:34 in the morning. It's late September, almost October. We're looking for some of these fall time smallmouth. Waited till the sun came up a bit because it was a little chilly this morning, but we're just looking for some deep pools. This looks pretty good right here, actually. See if I can't sneak on there now. That was a terrible cast. Yeah, that was a bad cast. There we go, we're back up in there under that tree. I don't think I'm going to find much action in here. It's just not enough for a smallmouth to be in here. I'm going to work my way up stream a little bit more and look for some of those deeper pools, kind of near a current break. Good spot there under where that fallen tree is. Let me see if that wasn't the best cast. See, there's a small or two hiding under this tree. Get our first fish of the day, hopefully. Ooh, nothing. What we're fishing today, we've got a green pumpkin Hellgrammite on a 1/16 ounce Ned head to a 8-pound fluorocarbon leader, and that is on some 10-pound braid. And then we've got the Lew's TP2 rod series. It's a 7-foot medium heavy fast action. I think it's a little big for the kind of fishing I'm doing. I would like a 6'10" maybe, or even a 6'6" would be nice. But this'll do. It's caught me fish. We were in about a 3-month drought here in Southwest Ohio. We got a pretty big rain middle of this week. Didn't seem to affect the creek much at all though. I mean, as you can tell, that water is just crystal clear. So we're gonna have to be very sneaky today, because they will see you coming. And I'm gonna start off with, of course, the Hellgrammite on the Ned head. But then, ooh, well, that's not a smallmouth. What are those? I don't know what those guys are. I wonder if they'll bite that. We're gonna start off with the Ned head, but then we might move up to some, to a little bit larger presentation baits. I typically catch a lot of medium-sized smallmouth out of here. I'm looking for a big one. But we'll get a couple fish today on this, maybe. And then we'll move up to some larger presentations and see if we can't find us there goes a smallmouth right in front of me. Do some larger presentations and see if we can't find some of the bigger guys that live in this creek here. So, Got the rapids coming into a big pool. It's not as deep as I would like it to be, but I feel like there's a possibility of a fish. And the good thing about it, it's got shade back there. That might be prime smallmouth location. Let's throw it towards the start of the... Oh, wait a minute. Do we already have something? Yeah, we do. Oh yeah, fish on, baby. Come on. What do we got? What in the heck is that? Oh, that's a little rock bass. That's kind of a big rock bass. Put your spikes away, please. He choked that one. Wow. Goodness gracious, son. Well, we weren't really looking for you. We're looking for some smallmouth. Let's try that one again. First cast into the spot I picked out, too. That's a pretty good sign that there's some fish here. A leaf just fell behind me. Sounded like a fish. There we go. There's some bites. Oh, he had it for a second there. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh, that's fighting like a smallmouth. I think that's the same exact fish I just caught. Oh my God, it is. I'm pretty sure. Okay, buddy. Thanks for the fun, but I'm not necessarily looking to catch you. All right, let's move on. Is that part of an engine? What in the world is that? That looks like it came out of an engine. Or that might be the engine. That is wild. Interesting. Don't throw your engines in the creek, please. Another current break into a big pool. I'm gonna slowly work my way around. And I'm gonna cast right at the current break and let that hellgrammite work its way down. Hopefully right into the mouth of the mayor of smallmouth town, aka a big old smallmouth. There we go, good cast. Oh, I'm snagged. No. There we go. Ooh, that's a pretty good cast right there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a good fish. Maybe. Maybe. Stay on. Stay on. Stay on. Man, I caught you from a mile away too. No. Are you another freaking bass? Come on, guys. Give me a smallmouth. If you're ever curious what a rock bass looks like, that's it. They got the red eye. Bye, buddy. So we've got some current coming down into here, and this is like a massive pool. You want to look for spots where smallmouth can ambush any kind of bait fish that are coming down here. So with this being the start of the pool, there's possibly some smallmouth in that area waiting on a unsuspecting little bait fish to go right in their mouth, which should be my bait. Big bite. Big bite. Let him take it. Come on. Go. Come on. Hammered that. Seriously. Okay, well, I'm gonna throw like a crankbait or even an inline spinner just to cover all this water, because it's really hard to cover this much water with a Ned rig. Fast, at least. No luck. I'm gonna move on down. Anywhere you see a rope swing, you've probably got a deep spot. And in those deep spots, you probably got fish. Whoa, okay. Put a little too much pizzazz on that cast there. Ooh, there's a bite right there. Oh man, what in the world was that? It's working its way down the stream here with no success. Of course not. Why would I catch a fish? Yeah. Here was something a little different. Still Ned rig, 16th ounce, but we got the Z-Man TRD Hog. These Strike King hooks are kind of difficult to get that bait on there, but we made her work. Still gonna work this bank here. Looks pretty decent. Let me check our drag real quick. Yeah, we're tight. Ooh, right on top of that log. Got a big fallen tree. Goes all the way along the back of the creek here. Oh, he's still on there. What is that? I'm gonna drag a little bit. Come on. Oh, wow. Another freaking rock bass. Man, it seems like that's all I can catch in this creek is these rock bass. That guy is a big one though. There's a bite. Take it. Take it. There we go. What do we got? Oh my God, are you serious? Oh, that's a sunfish. At least it's a sunfish, not another rock bass. If there was a competition for who can catch the smallest fish in the creek, I would beat every single one of you watching this video right now. Oh my Lord. This is frustrating when you're really looking for a big fish and all you keep catching is these little dinks. That is just discouraging. I might have to upsize here. Fix that. There's another bite. Oh, we took it. Oh, yeah, that might be a good fish. That might be a good fish. Oh yeah, what do we got here? No, no, no. Are you kidding me? I mean, I'm not mad that I'm catching fish, but that guy fought like he's much bigger. Just fun, but... All right, we'll move on. There we go. Nice. Oh no. No. Oh, come on. Are you kidding me? I haven't caught a fish in like an hour. Man. We're going on a while without some fish. I walked probably, gosh, 2.5 miles down. Now I'm making my way back. I'm looking for, I've never been to this spot before, so I'm looking for places to fish. But this has just been pretty quiet. So I'm gonna head back down to where I started. We've got the crankbait on right now. I switched from that just because I didn't feel like tying another leader back on. Try some moving baits, kind of get out of my comfort zone a little bit. Yeah, I'll keep you updated. There we go. Finally. God, that's been a while. A little smallie too. Say it, maybe. Oh yeah. Get a release on this guy. There's another one. There we go. Ooh, that feels like a good one too. Oh yeah. Stay down, stay down, stay down. Stay down. Don't. Stay down. There we go. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. Fell right out. Oh man. That's I know it's not the biggest, but the best one I've caught. Release on this guy here. There he goes. Oh, yep. Right up. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my God. That is a massive crappie. What? Holy cow. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Dude, that thing's like a dinner plate. I can't even freaking... Ow. I can't even grab this thing. Oh my gosh. My pliers out here. Well, you catch anything out here, I guess. It came out pretty easy. Look at that guy. That is a massive creek crappie. Wow. That's a nice surprise. Later, buddy. Oh, fuck. Oh my God, what happened there? What in the world just happened? I thought it was in the tree. How did I catch you? Dude, you bit it as soon as I hit the water. Whoa. I'm not recording anyway. I am, thank God. Do not jump right now. I ended up with a smallmouth from the tree. Wow, that's crazy. All right, buddy. Thanks for that. What in the world happened right there? I gotta look back on that video. I thought I literally casted it into the tree. That was nuts. Oh yeah. Dude, I hit the jackpot here. What do we got now? Little baby smallmouth. Oh, no. That's not good. I'm sorry, big guy. You want to cast this way and call it. This side didn't miss anything. Maybe I'll do 2 casts. Oh yeah, that's why you, oh my God, this is a big one. Oh my God. Oh my God, we are, stay on. Stay on, do not come off. Do not come off. Oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, yes. Look at that freaking fish. Oh my God. Yeah, oh, he was barely freaking hooked. Barely freaking hooked. Oh, let's freaking go, dude. Oh, now this is what I came here for. That's probably a 15-incher, maybe 12, 15. Oh, yes. Dude, I haven't caught this one this big out of here in a while. Let's go. Let's send you back, big guy. Dude. Freak, yeah. That's what I'm talking about right there, man. I said one more cast right there, and that's what it... Wow, I think. Stay down. Don't come off this time, please. Oh yeah, there you go. That makes up for missing that one. Get back here. Easy, brother. You're gonna hurt yourself. Okay, don't do that. I'm back to where I started this morning. It's 3:15. I've got a moving bait on now, big crankbait. I'm gonna hit this spot that I wanted to earlier. See if anything's in there. I can really cover some water now.